family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. When in Dollar General, the deals, to me, now that something comes up, is not giving. But I had to go this morning and get something. So I was like, let me go ahead and see what's going on in the general, which is the Dollar General. So these are some items that was in stock. Now, I've seen some more things that I could have gotten, but they didn't have it in stock. So let's go ahead and I'll show you what I got. Okay, so the first thing is this right here. This Oral-B, it says Daily Clean. Okay, now we have a $1 off digital coupon, and I think it was from either last week or week before last. It's still on there. And then if you see these toothbrushes, it does scan for it and attaches to it along with the Bright and Clean. Now the Healthy Clean, it wasn't attaching, but if you see the Bright and Clean, and then also this one that says Daily Clean, that it actually attaches to it. Okay, so it made that free. The next thing I got was the Swiffer. Now I wasn't going to get these Swiffers, but I seen them and I was like, let me go ahead and purchase, because I was just trying to get it to like $5 and some change as far as the subtotal. But y'all know me. Y'all know when I see things, I just pick it up and then the subtotal goes up and up. So these are $5.50. We have a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching. This is actually the Swiffer Duster Kit, and it's the game, which, you know, we do have a 5 off of 20 this week for the game deal. So I could have used that, but I just went ahead and picked it up. The next thing is these, y'all, these Beneful Incredibites. This is dog food. So this one is the chicken and bacon flavor. They are $1.95 each. There is 2 digital coupons that is out there. So that one's chicken, and this one is the porterhouse steak flavor. Honey, porterhouse, honey. So I got 4 of them, and let me tell you, okay, they are actually 2 for $2.65. That's what is coming up as far as a sale. But there is 2 digital coupons that you can clip. One of them is a buy one get one free, and it says Dollar General at the little top of the buy one get one free, but it's not the big Dollar General on the coupon that we usually see. Then there is a $1 when you buy 2 for $1.99 on the coupon. It says $1.99, but you have to buy 2. So I picked up 4. So after that, I think it was like $2 and something if you just get 4 of them, and you know you have to pay. I think you have to pay your taxes on it. I think taxes is on dog food, but anyway, you can just make sure that you scan it in your app, and make sure that when you scan in the app, it's the correct store that you are at, because sometimes it does not happen. Okay, so I got these for my dog. So I got 4 of them. I got 2 of the chicken and bacon flavor, and then 2 of the porterhouse steak flavor. So I got those. Hopefully I'm gonna let her, I don't know why I said him, let her try it out to see if she like it. I'm just gonna let it sit, because she usually have hard dog food, but I'm gonna let her try that out and see if she like these. And if so, I'm gonna go back and get some more. The last thing I got was the Chic Classic razors. Y'all, these razors are going up. Do you hear me? And this is the 3 disposable razors. These razors, I remember, used to be like $3 and something. Now they are $5.35. And I don't know if that's like just the sales price, but they are expensive now, y'all. So there is a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching to this. Y'all, this is crazy. Everything is mainly going up. I seen cereal almost $10 in a store. You know, that is just, it's just ridiculous. It's just getting really out of hand out here. But, you know, sometimes you got to do what you got to do to make ends work. Hey, I'm not judging. Do what you got to do, honey. So, after he scanned everything, I put my number in, all my digitals came off. My subtotal was $8.12. I told you it was going to be $5 and something, but I had to pick up the Swiffer. I just had to. I don't know why, but I just picked it up. So my subtotal is $8.12, and you know everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt. Hold on. Let's see. Hold on. There we go. So there are the benefits. There's all 4 of them. And then, let's see. I got a store discount. I'm thinking the $2 did come off when this is on my daughter's number. Her birthday is coming up. It's going to be this Friday. Renisha, if you're watching this, you know, happy birthday, baby. But it's going to be, her birthday's the 17th, which is this Friday. And then there is the Oral-B, there's the Schick, and there is the Swiffer. So, see, the subtotal is $8.12. You know, everybody's taxes is different. Then here is the total savings, $11.53. And then there is a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. So, y'all, this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nana's Channel.